Alright, what's going on, guys? Bataha here, and we are gonna put new handlebars and new grips on the pit bike. My handlebars are bent on this thing. It's kind of like whenever you're driving, you have to be like a tiny bit to the right more to like actually go straight. And these grips on this end might be a little hard to see, but it's totally destroyed right there and under here. So new grips, new bars, can't wait to put these things on there. Pro Taper, a really good brand, definitely worth the money that you pay for them. And this is definitely one of the best mods you can do to your pit bike. Like carburetor, air filter, and handlebars are probably the best things you can do. Because this is what you ride on, this is what you're holding. The way your handlebars are can totally change the feeling of the ride and kind of like how you ride. So good handlebars are definitely going to be great. I'll link these below. I'll also link the grips. Everything is off. Now we just need to get the handlebars off of. And honestly, I've just been putting the like bolts or whatnot just back in there so I don't lose anything, because I can lose things pretty easily. Take a look at these compared. They're gonna be a little higher, like a tiny bit, but we'll see how those go. The main spots of wear on these handlebars and just dirty. I mean, I guess my throttle was scraping on this or something, because it scraped away all the paint on this. Guess that plastic was rubbing. Where the teeth are, there's a little wear. Also, where like the brake and the clutch went, that one was really stuck, the clutch one. And yeah, I mean, these, I could put them on something else, These XR50 bars do not fit this. Alright, well, I'm gonna save y'all the trouble, and I'm just gonna say don't order these if you have the Tao. If you have another pit bike, it might fit it, but dude, I had to take this thing off. Like hitting it with the hammer, up, and doing all this. I had to take it to my drill press in the barn, which not everyone has. A normal drill just wouldn't cut it. But I did end up drilling both holes with the drill press, and it worked. Bolts can slide all the way through. They're on there. With these, the handlebars are slight higher, but these also have that curve. And dude, I feel like I'm gonna like that a lot. Just like higher handlebars, feels like you're at a better position. Mine are, before were probably kind of like out here and down, but I think it's gonna be great. And I'll go ahead and put all that stuff back on. This is the final product of the Pro Taper bars. At the end of this video, I'm going to go out and ride it and just tell you what I think compared to the old ones. But yeah, just fit everything on. It's all good. Since the handlebars are way taller than the other ones, the cables kind of just run up here. Like, there's nothing I could really do about it. But that's okay. And yeah, man, dude, I like it. These grips are like, man, they're grippy, and the handlebars are nice. I can't wait to ride on this thing. New handlebars, the Pro Taper XR50, and these grips. I'll link them down below. So I really like these pivot levers. I might link those down below as well. So this, I had to drill out holes to get these to fit. I know that might have been a little confusing. So I'll link these down below, but I wouldn't get them unless if you have a 1/2 inch like holes. That's how big this was. I had to drill it out with a 1/2 inch drill bit. These handlebars a lot, dude. These handlebars are great. I really like the way like I'm sitting on the bike. My knees are all the way up on the tank right here, but like my arms are still wide and like it's easier to turn and everything still. I highly recommend these handlebars. The ride is just so much better. Like I know like I could like tilt my handlebars forward a little bit with the old ones, but you can't get the height. You can't get the height on these. Or with the old ones, I mean, you can't get the height. I would highly recommend these handlebars. Get the right like clamps or risers, because mine, I didn't get the right one, so I had to take it off and drill it out. And these are great, man. I'd highly recommend these for a pit bike. Higher quality pro taper, man. But yeah, guys, I'm Bataha. I'd recommend these, and I'll see y'all in the next one.